Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to download Oracle VirtualBox and its extension pack, and I will download it for Mac computer, but if you are planning to do it for any other operating system, so process and the procedure will remain same. First you have to download this software, so you have to go to the site virtualbox.org. For your info, this URL is there in the description area, so you can copy it from there or directly click and go to the site. So once you go to this page, currently it's showing that download VirtualBox 6.1. In the news flash, there is a news saying that April 14th 2020 VirtualBox 6.1.6 released. Before that there was a version 6.0.20, that was 6.0 series was going on. Now 6.1 started. You can download it from here or from here. So let's go to download. As I say that if you want to download it for any other operating system, you can do the same process, same procedure. There is no change. There is first option is there for Windows, then for OS for my Mac, Linux is there, Solaris is there. So I will download it for my Mac. That the first step, I need it for my iMac computer. So current version which I'm using is version 10.15.4. We need one more item from this site. It's called extension pack, all supported platform. So I will download this also. Why you need extension pack? Because this will help you to access your USB 2, USB 3 or any other thing which you normally do on your physical machine. You can do it on the virtual machine also. So there are many benefits of having this. I can see the download is completed for both the options. Let's go to the folder option. Both are there. The first step is installation of the software. Main software. I'll double click on VirtualBox 6.6. Hope it will not take much time. First option is double click on this icon, and because I have to install it, so I have to click on this option. The package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. I'll say yes. Okay, continue. That's the version detail and other information about the software. Installation type 251.8 MB is the space requirement of this software. So make sure your computer has enough space before you start the installation. And you can change the location, but I'm keeping it as default location. Go to install option. So when you do the installation on this iMac computer, normally it asks for the permissions. So I entered my user ID and the passwords. Installation is in progress now. After this installation of the VirtualBox, I'm going to install Kali machine on this virtual machine. That will be my next video. So installation is completed. So the installation was successful. Close it. Do you want to move that exe file into the bin? So move to the bin so you can save the space. Now first we'll verify whether the software is installed successfully or not. Go to applications. You can see VirtualBox is there. So double click on that. Let's check. Software opened successfully. I don't see any issue with the software. Now we have to go to step number 2 for installation of the extension pack. So when you go to the preferences, under that lots of options are there. Go to the extension option, click on the plus sign which will ask you to the location where it is there. Go to the download, open. It will ask you are about to install this pack, so just read this, and after that if you want to install it, only option is install. I agree with all the conditions. I'm not going to read it, but yes, I'm fine with them. Let's say okay. Pack is installed. It means my virtual machine and extension pack both installed successfully. If I install any operating system on this machine, so all the USB 2 and USB 3 disk encryption, everything, I'm hoping that that will also work fine within that machine. For this video, thank you so much for your time, and after this I'm going to install Kali machine. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my video so that you will get the notification about my next video. Thanks again for your time.